वाओ! वाओ! भाई वाओ!
आप बस ये मिस कॉल खेलें हमारे साथ।
चलो कुछ तो बोलो।
आप बोलें, आपकी बहुत स्टोरीज़ हैं। आई हैव नथिंग टू से।
What stories I have?
आई एम श्योर यू हैव।
I really तो don't.
कुछ तो होगा आपके
Talk to me.
पास।
Tell me what's new.
नथिंग, आपके पास है न्यू भाई, आपके पास है स्टोरीज एंड किस्से कहानियां। यू शुड टेल।
I really don't यार।
अरे राम, बताओ, अपना कुछ बताओ दफ्तर के बारे में।
शाडू दफ्तर going यार, दफ्तर is going. नौकरी is a great thing because you know we have to survive, right? आप फिर कुछ ऊहू कर रही हैं।
Because as you continue speaking, the more irritated I'm getting, but never mind. आप रुके ना, किसी के लिए ना रुके, आप आगे बढ़ती जाएं बस।
I was just saying कि नौकरी is a good thing, right? But the question is, Shadu, is it asking for too much if you want a relaxed role, which is, you know, engaging as well? Is it always going to be a compromise?
हम नहीं समझ पाए, आपको रिलैक्स रोल चाहिए जो एंगेजिंग भी हो?
Yeah, is it too much to ask?
Yes.
Yes, बोल दिया आपने.
This makes no sense. You want a relaxed role which is engaging. These two are what is that word? Isotopes.
Isotopes is atoms with the same number of protons but different number of neutrons.
No, these are two. Are the two things that can't exist together, yeah.
Mutually
Are
exclusive.
no man. It's a good word. It's a single word. Wait.
Impossible.
Nahi. It's a single word. Like it's isotopes.
चलो अपने चैट से पूछो. वैसे तो it is mutually exclusive but
Oxymoron.
new moron.
Hmm.
So why is this so moronic?
Oxymoron are things that cannot go together, like clean and coal.
Clean and cold.
Yes, coal by its very nature is not clean. So,
कोल ने ऐसा आपका क्या बिगाड़ दिया शाडू?
by its very nature is bound to be dusty and black. So it's not clean.
Racism at its peak.
That's how it is, yaar. So the relaxing and engaging is oxymoron.
नहीं, it's not a moron यार. It's just you want to have a job which you know you have time to breathe and grow and learn, but it's also engaging that every time you do it you are engaged.
Like I said, it is oxymoronic.
तो मतलब द जॉब इज ईदर अ किलर कि आप मतलब हॉस्पिटल के चक्कर काटते रहेंगे बिकॉज़ यू आर एंगेज्ड इन योर जॉब और यू आर बोर्ड एंड हेल्दी.
Well, did you realize that maybe it is you who needs to deal with the work level, जिससे आपको हॉस्पिटल ना जाना पड़े?
Shadu, sometimes things are not in our control, especially if you are working in a team where they are expecting you to do more and more and more.
अच्छा, इन्होंने सोचा था इनको जॉब टाइटल एंड पे बम्प मिलेगा टू रिलैक्स.
Well, right now I'm relaxing, na?
So this is bad?
It's not, but it's also like, you know, I guess it's not like the engagement kind of.
God, yaar, you are really making a fry out of my bheja.
You know, like a dynamic job, but which is not like, you know, stressful.
There is no such thing.
So dynamic job has to be stressful.
No, nothing is stressful. It's you who decides how much stress you want to put on yourself. Every job can be dynamic.
That's not true, yaar.
It is true. You want dynamic job, means stress will be there. You want relaxing job, then won't be dynamic. They are हम oxymoron मोरॉन चिल्ला रहे हैं तब से.
This is quite upsetting.
ये इनको अभी पता चला.
It is upsetting to know that.
Okay.
I am upset.
Plus this is what you wanted ना, कि दफ्तर में काम नहीं होगा तो हम अपना फोकस करेंगे, हम स्पिरिचुअलिटी ढूंढेंगे.
That is basically what I'm searching and I'm getting it. I guess it's a bit of getting used to that you are getting spirituality during work hours.
मिल भी गई आपको स्पिरिचुअलिटी इतनी देर में?
It's quite new, I guess. Few days old.
क्या मिला?
That God is everywhere.
Hang up this phone.
God is everywhere. There is no one else in this world except me and God. कुछ आपने किया फिर से.
जमाईली.
बोर हो गई आप स्पिरिचुअलिटी के सुनते सुनते.
Yes.
Wow. रियल बदतमीज।
इतनी हमको खटाखट नींद आई है जितनी कभी पहले नहीं आई।
आपने हमारी स्पीच लिंक्डइन पे लाइक नहीं करी है।
लिंक्डइन से ज्यादा टॉक्सिक कोई सोशल मीडिया नहीं है।
Shadow, just go to LinkedIn and like my speech. Go.
नो।
Shadow, please, यार Shadow.
क्यों? उस पे सिर्फ 3 लाइक आए हैं।
No, but I need more. Shadow, did you watch the Jaguar rebrand?
Yes,
What do you think of it?
I quite like it actually.
You like it?
Yeah, maybe I'm those weird ones who like it.
Yeah, you are.
I don't see the hoo-ha, the problem.
Chalo, why you like it?
I don't know. I think they're breaking free from the shackles of what Jaguar should and, must be. And they're like, no, we are redefining it. We are making it. I like the vibe of the video. I quite like it. The weird fashion influencer style.
Shadow, the thing is, it's about the core market.
Chalo, who is core market?
It's mainly men.
Yes, so core market is basically midlife crisis men.
Shadow, nobody in that video is having a midlife crisis.
That's why you don't show it. This is what you aspire to be, na? I like it. It's like cool and young and blah blah blah. Everything a midlife person would want to be. Everything I would want to be. It's different. It's funky. I like it.
चलो आप ये ऐसे काले पीले बन के आपको घूमने का मन है?
Well, yes, because it's a bit like I'll be whatever the hell. It's weird. I like weird.
Yeah, that I can tell.
I was watching the video. I was like, this does not seem like what Jaguar when I imagine. So I was like, oh wow, way to break the shackles. They are like, oh, you are thinking luxury fast car. Chalo. No.
So what exactly are you proposing you are then if you're not a luxury fast car?
I don't know. I just like it. अरे तेरे को क्यों नहीं पसंद? तेरे को क्यों नहीं पसंद?
Because I don't feel like it's screaming Jaguar.
Yeah, it looks like this Billie Eilish and Dua Lipa and Sabrina Carpenter.
हाँ, but Dua Lipa and all they don't drive Jaguar. They're not midlife crisis men, yaar.
Yes, but midlife crisis want to be these people.
I have not met a single midlife crisis man who wants to turn into Sabrina Carpenter.
They do. They really do.
They want to turn into Leonardo the Chapriya, not...
Leonardo DiCaprio.
He is poster child of midlife crisis
Yes,
man.
and you have seen the girls he hang out with?
Exactly. So he does not want to turn into them.
I liked it because I didn't want to see another car going vroom vroom in the middle of a clean street and all. Hut, yeah.
When I hear one of those really annoying loud cars, I'm like, oh my god, but I know who is driving it. And it's not one of these red yellow bubbles.
Yes, but it's actually for the Gen Xers. But yeah, it's saying you can't define me, you boomer. Like that.
I am not a boomer, I'm millennial.
Arey, not you. The ad is trying to say.
Yeah, but the Gen Xers are the target buyers.
The Gen Xers are the Mata Pita of Gen Zs. They know that is the future as much as it's only the millennials and the Gen Z who are at
Chalo.
loggerheads. The X are not. Everybody else has accepted them except the millennials who somehow cannot give up their seat yet. The millennials are useless and they have grown at a very slow pace. So they are like, अरे हमने तो अभी शुरू किया था, अब तो Gen Z आ गए. It's that.
I don't think it is slow paces problem. We are not slow paced.
चलो 30s and 40s में हमारे माँ बाप बहुत आगे बढ़ चुके थे. They had kids who were going to school. They had healthcare. They had bought houses. Millennials our age are not even married yet.
No, that I understand. But the only problem is
हमसे लड़की नहीं पटाई जा रही है. So we are very very far behind.
So you also have to understand that time was a different time.
But I just think millennials बहुत बहुत धीमा काम करा है. ना उनको अरेंज मैरिज करनी है, ना उनसे टिंडर हुआ जा रहा है. उनको लड़की से बात करना नहीं आ रहा है, पर उनको कमिटमेंट भी चाहिए, पर वो फोबिक भी हैं, पर वो डिवोर्स भी करेंगे. We are mess and we are the औलाद्स of boomers.
What are we supposed to say to that?
Nothing. We are supposed to cry in our pain.
Shadu, look yaar. The corporate CEOs are like, they are only in their early 50s. Only.
Yeah, so they are Gen X la. उसके बाद ideally it should be our generation who takes their place in the next, I don't know, 10 years.
We can't.
Exactly.
We really cannot, you know that, right?
So we are not ready.
We are ready, लेकिन साले Gen X boomer ये हटे तो पहले ना शाडू। तो जो millennial है will be only 45 by the time you are retiring. They will not be CEO.
क्यों? That's the ideal age to be CEO.
45
Yeah.
चलो हम 8 साल में 45 के हो जाएंगे, कैसे बने CEO? चलो जल्दी बताओ।
Well, yeah, 45 ideally you should be already moving up to CEO position.
चलो ऐसा नहीं होगा।
No, ऐसा ही होगा।
ऐसे नहीं होगा।
ऐसा होना पड़ेगा।
कैसे? क्यों?
ये ही रीति का रिवाज है।
I have a feeling millennials will just never become CEOs and MDs.
They will have no choice.
Directly, the next CEOs will be Gen Zs.
Why is Bollywood in Maldives?
They always are, Shadu.
I don't understand what happened to boycott and all that.
Shadu, Bollywood is one of those things that have been forced down our throats. So you might as well start to accept it.
Acceptance I am reaching slowly, but I'm just saying ki why people are not seeing through this shit and being like, oh, what are you doing in Maldives? After the entire country of Maldives had been racist towards our people and our leaders, why?
Maybe they were given freebies.
No, I get that they are being given free trips to go there, but ऐसा क्या लल्लत्तू की तरह पहुंच गए?
Bollywood can. They have no self-respect.
मतलब फ्री टिकट देखा नहीं कि पहुंच गए.
It is called Iman.
But what happened to
यारी
जनता?
है ईमान है दत्ता कौन दत्ता
अरे जनता, what happened to जनता? Janta is also saying, wow, nice bikini, nice view. Why is Janta not calling it out?
जनता के पास भी शाडू अपने दुख के अलावा किस किस का वो क्या कह रहे हैं
No, but Janta can call it out, na? That Saif Ali Khan's son is there also. They can be like, भाई, racism हुआ है collectively as a society के साथ.
जनता इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम कोल्ड एंड पोल्यूशन दे हैव नो टाइम लाइक साला सांस लेने में परेशानी हो रही है और ये बॉलीवुड वाले जाके मालदीव्स में बीच पे नहा रहे हैं रियली
Yes, so wouldn't Janta be pissed?
यारी है यारी है ईमान मेरा यार मेरी जिंदगी
Hi, I am manager of 7-star hotel in Maldives. We would like to give you free first class tickets as well as a 7-day accommodation in our presidential suite in our 7-star hotel with all meals and everything, on the house. All this and package and towel and bikini and all will be sent to you as well. So you literally need to do nothing, madam.
What exactly? Why are you giving me this?
Just to, because you have so many followers. So if you could just, advertise, all we ask for is 3 posts and 2 stories.
You will pay me also for that.
Yes, everything will be paid for. Your trip obviously is paid for.
I'll be like, but your country is racist towards my country.
Yeah, but you want it or don't want, I can go to another influencer.
I guess if you'll just go to another influencer and they will say yes.
So want or don't want?
Then I'll have to sell my iman, I guess.
इन्होंने एक hypothetical call में अपना
Exactly. So you're not going to wipe out the problem.
तो आप you will become part of the problem.
I guess not.
अरे हट! दिमाग खराब कर डाला.
Wow. Real shouting mode you are.
Yes, because you have changed your yari hariness. What happened?
You are quite Ajib.
Oh,
Shadu.
yes.
यारी है ईमान मेरा यार मेरी जिंदगी डा 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 डा
Okay.
डा डा
No need. Don't need the remix version of this.
Tony Kakkar version I can also sing for you.
No need.
यारी है 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 That is Tony Kakkar version.
हो गया.
यारी अरे I am great यार चलो I have to go and color my grey hair.
आपके तो बड़े काले निराले बाल थे.
You have to cover your grays when they come out.
तो डाई लगाती हैं, डाई करती हैं बाल.
Well, I would say color and gloss treatment rather than dye.
अच्छा. Got it.
It's called hair gloss treatment. Glossy hair.
समझ गए बेटा, हम भी ग्लॉसी लगाते हैं.
आप तो कुछ नहीं लगाती आंटी.
हमारा भी ग्लॉसी है, ग्लॉसी.
आप कुछ नहीं लगाते भाई.
हम सभी ग्लॉस करते हैं क्यों बेच जी? हाँ हम भी तो ग्लॉस लगाते हैं। हाँ
आपको
बेटा,
हो क्या गया है भैया?
कहाँ से ग्लॉस लगाते हो बेटा? कौन से सैलून में जाते हो? कौन से पार्लर में?
हेयर मास्टर।
हमारी तो सोसाइटी में लगा देती है ग्लॉस, हम तो वहीं से ग्लॉस करा लेते हैं।
आप तो कुछ भी नहीं लगाती हैं भाई।
आई डोंट, बट आई एम कॉलिंग आउट द हिपोक्रेसी, हिपोक्रेसी।
आप ऐसी रहेंगी, ग्रे
यस,
ग्रे एंड ओल्ड।
यस, किसी के दम है तो वो हमें रोक के दिखाए।
शाडू, व्हाई डोंट यू कलर योर हेयर यार?
क्यों भाई?
Because you are looking like George
हीरो?
Clooney.
ओ वाओ,
Yeah,
जॉर्ज क्लूनी।
yeah, you are a woman, so he's 63-year-old man. So looking like George Clooney should not be a compliment for you.
I think I look like George Clooney's wife.
You really don't. उसके बाल ग्रे नहीं हैं.
चलो लेट्स सी, ग्रे हेयर सेलिब्रिटीज फीमेल।
None.
चलो पहला शक्ल आया है किम कार्डेशियन का।
शाडू, चलो खैर, चलो आपको ये सब चीजें बिलीव करना है तो आप करिए.
बट व्हाई यू आर सो एंग्री?
Because Kim Kardashian's silver hair is a wig which she uses for certain ads.
केटी होम्स। Oh, I look like Katie Holmes, huh?
You really don't.
She looks really weird, yaar, this girl. I used to really like her.
Why you don't like her anymore?
I don't know. I think after the Tom Cruise stuff, I don't like much.
यहाँ पे सब शांति शांति है.
She reminds me a bit of the whole Aishwarya Rai thing. I wish she would come back to the movies, but ऐसा what you have been through कि
She has been through quite a lot.
that's what I'm saying. ऐसा तुम्हारी आवाज दब गई, ऐसी दब गई, ऐसी दब गई कि वो अब निकल ही नहीं रही. It's a bit much.
उसकी आवाज को दबा दिया गया है.
This one is on a contract like non-disclosure. Aish तो is not ना.
ऐश का भी यही है. आपको क्या पता उसने किया है साइन की नहीं?
I thought she was dating Jamie Foxx.
I know, that would have been nice.
What happened?
Nothing happened.
Broke up.
I guess so, Shadu. I guess so.
चलो, daughter is going to prom. Wow, so big.
Radhya is also having teenager birthday.
अरे, I am talking about Siri Cruz.
I am talking about Aradhya.
चलो फिर चले हम आराध्या। What is her name? राय और बच्चन। आराध्या बच्चा लिख दिया हमने।
Hmm.
Wow, the bangs are gone. Peer pressure is real. चलो, how come Janta managed to step into this one and make her change, and Janta is not?
I don't think she cut a haircut for Janta. It's because she's a teenager and she
No.
wants to.
नहीं, when she came with the bangs to Ambani, Janta really went like, please, please ये bangs हटाओ.
So she must have been like, Mummy, ये हटाओ यार.
Janta stood up for a good cause, na? Came together as one.
Cutting the ball of a girl is really not a cause to be coming together for.
But we did it, yaar. We did it as a society. We did it.
I know, but छोटी बच्ची के बाल कटवा दिए साथ में मिलके, that is nothing to be proud of.
And let's celebrate the wins, यार.
कि मॉलडीव्स एक साथ नहीं हो पाए, लेकिन आराध्या के बाल के बैंग्स कटवा दिए.
कुछ तो करा.
She's cute यार. She's got a bit of a dimples.
Now that the bangs are gone, everything is cute.
Bangs were not on the cheeks.
This, but bangs were looking like real Dora the Explorer. And I hate Dora the Explorer. Chalo, somebody has put Salman Khan, Aishwarya and Aradhya in one photo.
चलो यार.
They have photoshopped them at many events, yeah, not just. This is too much.
Chado yaar, I really feel for Aishwarya.
Everybody feels, especially Salman.
Abhishek has posted something about upcoming movie 4 hours ago, but nothing for his daughter.
Why? What happened to daughter?
Birthday.
When it is?
This is birthday photos only, right?
I don't know. Whose birthday? किसका birthday?
बच्चे का birthday यार.
It is birthday?
Angry netizen commented, on the other hand, Abhishek hasn't even posted a story to wish her, while he does every now and then for others. What a shame.
But who wishes their beti through a story, yaar?
Maybe he used to, I don't know.
Well, that's weird. If my father sahab posted a story to wish me, I would be...
Papa will first ask you how to post.
Curious. Then I only will get scolded for not telling him properly. Birthday will be ruined the moment I wake up.
Exactly. जहाँ पे सब शांति
अरे shut up यार.
है. Cut this call. I need to do some work,
टाटारी टाटारू.
but I don't have anything to do.
बहुत आपने हमारे सर के ऊपर खटर पटर करा है.
I'm setting up catch-ups with people, so please. यहाँ पे सब शांति शांति है. Wow,
पागल.
that was really rude.
अच्छा, ये मतलब अजीब अजीब आवाजें निकाल निकाल के हमारा सर दर्द करा दें. That is not rude.
All I did was यहाँ पे सब.
Don't do it maybe. हम भी अकेले ही बैठे हैं लिविंग रूम में.
Shadu, sometimes a moment of madness takes over you.
I'll try not to.
And in that moment of madness, whatever sound is coming out of your throat, you should let it come out. You should not suppress your throat chakra. Don't you know that?
A.R. Rahman has had divorce.
I know. And he created a hashtag as well.
But why is this such a big news? I don't understand.
The divorce or the hashtag?
The divorce, why?
I don't know.
Major reasons behind Bollywood divorces is boredom.
Yeah, I guess so, Shadu. That's why you should have an engaging job.
अरे यार.
I cannot be like, acha, chalo, I'm bored, so cutting this relationship. Shadu, what's a strategic assistant?
AI.
This guy has a name. He is not AI. What do corporate affairs do?
Adultery.
Cut this call. Reputation management. Wow, man, I love that.
Cut this call right away.
Well, I guess I'm very grateful for what I have right now, which is time.
You are saying this many times.
I just want to reiterate.
It's coming across as you don't mean it.
I mean it very strongly. I'm very grateful job for this role, for all this time that I have, that I can talk to you.
Now that you have said it so many times, we are feeling a bit worried.
Maybe when you will have a job, you will also have nothing much to do.
That would be ideal.
तो आपको engaging job नहीं चाहिए.
Well, initially, I guess I don't want engaging job, na, because settling into new city will be engaging enough.
यहाँ पे सब शांति शांति है. यहाँ पे सब शांति शांति है. This is more Tony Kakkar.
It's really not.
चलो cut this call यार. Bye. Cut call. I have to go for gloss. Hair gloss.
Okay, bye. Cut this call and go.
नहीं, you cut. You cut.
You cut. Cutting, cutting.
Please go. Please cut.